Let's talk about how to use social media groups to grow a personal brand. When you're seeking to grow your personal brand, you're going to want to connect with different groups of people. You're going to want to connect with your audience and your prospects, your clients. You're going to want to connect with the world as it appears to you through the lens of your business, but you're also going to want to connect with other people from your industry. This will help accelerate your personal brand in a miraculous way. It really will. So I'm going to encourage you to seek out industry groups that you can join so that you can collaborate and participate and be with other people in your industry. It's going to have a surprising effect on how quickly you can expand your personal brand. Hey everybody, it's Chris, and for the last 23 years I have had thousands of paying clients that I have helped wildly grow their businesses. These are people who can change lives with what they do, and they want to profit doing something that they love. So I help them do that, but not in a way like you might think. And if you'd like more content like this, I've got you covered. Just subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you can jump the line and get new classes that I present before anyone else. There are so many groups out there on the internet. They're on Facebook, they're on LinkedIn. You can find them on individual websites. There are places like Reddit where you can find groups of people who are in your industry. They're everywhere, and it can become a real big time suck. So the first thing I want you to do is really scrutinize the groups that you're looking at. Look at the groups, see what the participation is like, see what the other professionals in these groups are like, and pick the groups that really work well for you. A counterexample, put another way, you don't want to join groups where it's just people slamming with the sales pitch day after day after day. You want meaningful connections, meaningful communication, meaningful conversations inside these groups. So scrutinize these groups and find groups that are like that. One of the fastest ways to expand your personal brand is when you join these groups, I want you to join with a very giving intent. Join with the intent of sharing pure value with the group, with the expectation of nothing in return. Now, there's a secret to that, because you're going to get a lot in return. But I want you to enter these groups expecting nothing and giving everything. Give and give and give. Give pure value and educate and just seek to help people. But don't ask for anything in return. It's coming. I promise. There are universal laws that make sure of that, and they've got you covered. So go into these groups and look to give. Then, as you become known in these groups, you're going to be seen as the go-to person for whatever your expertise is. This is where you start to develop relationships with other members of the groups. You create connections with them, you create connections on social media with them, they get on your mailing list, and now these are the people who have the highest potential of becoming clients from within that group. And every group on the internet is going to have humans that administer that group. It's a good idea to develop relationships with those admins, and at the beginning, run your content by them before you publish it. This shows them a tremendous amount of respect, and you never know, connecting with an admin and becoming someone who the admin knows could propel your brand farther faster. And by the way, before I forget, if you like this content and you want some companion documents that are going to go along with this, all you have to do is go to brand.proutyclass.com. I've got a bunch of free stuff that complements this and is going to help you get moving quicker in expanding your personal brand. And one of those documents is a free list of some of the hottest groups that you can find, or the places where you can find the hottest groups online. So go ahead and go to brand.proutyclass.com. You can see that link in the red box, but I'm also going to put it in the first pinned comment below this video. So head on over there and grab those free assets so that you can start doing this without having to guess. While everything I just taught you is super important, it might not be the only thing you need right now. YouTube thinks that you're going to like this video, but before you go there, do click on my face so that you can jump the line and get the next class before anyone else.